Hi, Evan Sharboneau here. As you may know, I've helped thousands of photographers create stunning images using digital cameras. Now, I have something new for you, and it's really cool. My newest photography course, the Photography Masterclass, is a set of 29 videos totaling 11 hours and 26 minutes of in-depth training that will show you how to get the most out of any DSLR camera. After helping beginners for 5 years, I see exactly what is preventing you from taking photos that really impress your friends and family, and will sell online, in shows and even galleries. So if you're struggling to get the most for your own amazing photographs, what I'm about to share will make you extremely happy. I used to be just like you. As a beginner, it's not only frustrating, but it can be depressing to ask, how was this photo taken? Thinking, probably because they have a better camera than me, or I'll take such good pictures eventually. Are these questions and concerns keeping you from becoming a better photographer? My first attempts were common, nothing special. Online I saw better pictures than mine and literally thought they were mysterious. I couldn't figure out how they did it. But then, I discovered some basic principles that make it possible to take good photos, always, no matter which camera is in my hands. With these principles, I can take some photos and feel comfortable knowing that at least one will be Guardian. It's much better than rummaging through 100 photos hoping one is just okay. Now I know what to look for, when to shoot, how to take the picture I want. And I can be sure that a photo will look good, even before it's taken. And that is what you will learn in this course. How to quickly learn everything you need to create amazing photographs. Students began to apply my advice and the results were amazing. Inside the Photography Masterclass you will find Module 1, Mastering Your Digital SLR Camera. Module 2, Photographic Equipment. Module 3, Take Composition and Planning. Module 4, Post-Production and Software. Bonus number 1, DSLR Camera Equipment Guide. Bonus number 2, Portrait Humor Simulator. Bonus number 3, Lighting Simulator. Virtual. And INDA has 60 days total warranty. Join the Masterclass of Photography for an incredibly low price. Now you can join for just $59. Then click on the link of the description of this video and get your online course now. And become a professional in the world of photography.